My fifth job, and I only lasted 1 week. What happened? Welcome back to another episode of all my jobs that I've had in my life. And we're now on to number 5, and I'm only 19 years old. And this job was working in a bar in the centre of Norwich called Delaney's. I served drinks and food to people, and during the day it was very easy, very calm. But at night time, it was chaos. The bar didn't close till 2 a.m. and there were lots of drunk people, lots of noise, very, very stressful. I also had a boss who was a little bit crazy, and she would shout loudly, get stressed easily, and get very, very angry. I also remember a trap door right in the middle of the bar for some reason. And I can imagine lots of people falling through or into the trap door. Crazy. So how come I only lasted 1 week? Well, I got offered a job, and not just any job, my dream job as a 19-year-old who needed money. And that was working at the cinema. So to find out the pros and the cons about working at a cinema, look out for the next video. Catch you then, in a bit.